change it out?
Next snowmobile. Honestly, I think I'm going with cat.
Yeah, are you looking at the catalyst?
Oh, I better do this up before it falls out. Yeah. Okay, I got that. Camera's rolling, right? Red light's flashing.
Yep.
Let's get her going. Let's get this. We got her. Alright. I crank my handlebar warmers up just a tad. Got to get out some communications, some comms. I was wondering why my hands were cold coming in there, and I just realized all my hand and thumb warmers were shut off. I don't know how I did that. They're good now. Oh, there's some sleds coming here. We're gonna go straight, so. Yeah, now I can feel my hand warmers. Holy shit. Yeah, it's a nice comfort. Yeah, these ones are good. They got a bit of shape to them. I think they're kind of universal. You could use them on both sleds or ATVs. Well, because I'm using the muffs today, I just have my light gloves on and I can feel the controls so much better. I am absolutely in awe of these trails right now. All things considering, these are in great shape. Yeah, so this is one of the roads we could do in the summer. It's a public road. Right turn here. He'll be a bit. There he is. All right, we're good to go. Hey! That is one of my most favorite trails right there, that road. Yeah. Yeah. We got to hit those on the dual sports. That'll be a lot of fun. There he is. See if he's good to go. Good? He's good. He's got a big smile from ear to ear. We got a sled in front of us. I think he's doubling a kid on the front. It's like dad in front, mom on the back with the kid. I think they're gonna let us by. She pulled out in front of me. I think he was signaling for us to go by, and then she thought to pull it. Now, there's a bit of a road section here. Sometimes you can cross at the lake. I don't know. It's up to you guys what you want to do. Probably run the road. I don't think the lake crossing is probably worth it. Because that's the way we go to the lake. I don't see any trails going across, so let's be safe and live again right another day. And in fact, I've done this road running before in the spring where this is just bare pavement. This is actually pretty good. Shallow in there. Holy, you see the bottom. Woo!
Trails are friggin' amazing.
I can't believe how good they are. Like, it's just a real treat today. Yeah. 2 kids, yeah. All right, we're gonna go right. That's a good looking trailer too. Yeah, open concept. And we're almost at the rail bed. All right, what did it say there for Sharbot Lake? 19, okay. The old train station, maybe. Yeah. Wait for Al. There he is. Sled. Oh, I love that smell. The wood stove. Yeah, well, we can figure it all out. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna be able to load up in there. I'll have to pull out. Okay, I gotta go turn around up here. Alright, tuck in over here. Gorgeous.
Good ride.
That was a good ride.
Yeah. Man, I don't think it was what, maybe 2 or 3K of kind of so-so trails.
That first one we did when we got off the rail bed, that was the number 3 trail. That was probably the worst, and it wasn't even that bad, really.
Oh,